think that if you work inside a big company in 2021, whether you work in R&D, innovation, new product development, the chances are good that you may need some help moving your initiatives forward and getting people on the same page. So to give you a sense of the kinds of help that are out there, whether it's software or services, we're putting on 2 showcase events. These are basically live demo events. One is March 11th, focused on software for innovation. The other is on March 18th, focused on services and other kinds of solution. I hope you can participate in either or both of them. It's a great chance to kick the tires, to ask lots of questions. There are no strings attached. You can participate and nobody is getting your email address or phone number to follow up with. But if you think you may need help in 2021, we'd love to see you there.